Hi there, I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and I'm here with one of our certified boss organizers, Denise Bebo. How does it feel to be here in Belize, Denise?
Unbelievable. I really can't. And maybe I should say unbelievable.
Look, here is one example with Denise where she signed up for the Boss Organizer Blueprint how long ago?
Almost a year?
Almost a year ago. And what were you doing about a year ago, Denise?
Wondering what I would be doing in a year.
So Denise went through the Boss Organizer Blueprint, learned what there was in all of the video courses, and then she went on to become certified. And then I said, hey, do you think, which is part of what we offer in the Boss Organizer Blueprint, is would you like to be part of the Hoarders Show with me? And the answer was...
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I was really excited.
Yeah, because once you become certified, you are allowed to come with me on a hoarder shoot because we want to make sure that you're properly trained. But just being a professional organizer, what's that like for you?
It's been fantastic. It really has. I get to make my own schedule. I get to work with people that I enjoy working with, and I know I'm making a difference.
I love that part. And Denise, the reason she's here with me in Belize is because we're doing organizing around the world. So not only do my bossies get a chance to go on the Hoarder Show, but we also get to go organizing in the world. And it's so different to do some organizing here. What are you seeing for yourself that's different here in Belize than it is in the United States when we organize?
Well, the difference definitely is that the people here have a lot less to begin with. And so the things that they're holding on to are probably things that they've been collecting for a lifetime, not necessarily things that they've just recently purchased and maybe purchased a little too much of.
Yeah, I would say that's true too. I would say for me, being an organizer and being able to travel the world while I run my business is pretty fantastic. You know, I do have sort of a condo here in Belize, and yeah, we're on the ocean. It's pretty fantastic. So here I am on my laptop doing Zoom conference calls and helping my clients back home by Zoom while we do the organizing, and that's called virtual organizing. And for me, this is the kind of lifestyle that I've been able to achieve. And I want to pass it on to people like you. Are you able to do that?
I have been, as a matter of fact. Yesterday I joined in on a Zoom call with my Boss Organizer friends from our 90-day course. And so we had our meeting together, and then I've been sending emails and scheduling clients while we were here as well.
So it really does happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does happen with a lot of hard work and, of course, the right training. So hope you'll join us. Be sure to click one of the links up here, down, one of these places. We should get more organized about where the link is, I got to tell you. But please come to our free session and learn about how to become a professional organizer and a boss organizer, too.